Divine Brother Ranganath Bhai has already explained. Scientists have tested Dadiji's mental capacity, mental health, mental parameters, and they declared her actually as the most stable mind in the world. Scientists say that a person, when he is peaceful and is in deep sleep, then the brain is able to emit delta waves. But the scientists noticed that Dadi was able to produce that delta waves during her conscious stage. That shows the power and stableness of Dadiji's mind. We all know that Baba is the ocean of knowledge, but I have noticed that Dadi was also an ocean of master knowledge. She was always overflowing with Baba's knowledge. Whether she is sitting, whether she is talking, whether she is eating, whether she is conducting Murli class, or whether she is in conversation with someone, or even addressing big actually audiences, she was overflowing, outflowing with the godly knowledge. She got it. Prakashmani Dadi is recognized as the Dadi for spiritual love. Gulzar Dadi was recognized as the Dadi of power of silence. Dadi Janki Ji is recognized as the knowledgeful or the master knowledgeful stage. Dadiji used to always say Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti 3 times during her class or during her talk. And every time she used to just give different meanings. That shows the profound knowledge, the depth. The knowledge has gone into the Dadis, not only the mind, but also practical life. As all the brothers and sisters have explained, Dadi has traveled worldwide in all the 4 continents and in all the corners of the world. Even at the age of 100, 102, 103 years, just now our brother explained actually how she underwent, how she took actually the foreign travel tour. At such an age, it is very difficult to imagine a person can travel tirelessly so much. That is because of Dadi's willpower, Dadi's soul power, and the supreme blessings and the supreme power of Baba. Dadiji was Prakriti Jeet actually. She had control over her body. I have personally seen when I was in Madhuban, on 2 occasions, Dadi's condition was so serious, she was almost on deathbed actually. But because of her willpower and Baba's blessings, she could cross over the situation and came successful. One instance practically which I have seen, when I was once in Shantivan, Dadiji's health condition was very bad, and the doctors advised that you should be under 48 hours rest compulsorily. You should not move out of your bed. So we got the information that Dadiji's health is not good. But the same day evening, I noticed Daji was taking a class. Then, Dadi just told actually, doctor has done his duty and I have just come for the class. That is my duty I am doing. See, I met all of you. I am happy, you are happy. I got the blessings from all of you. The doctor who advised me, he is also sitting in this class. Mutta dekho, doctor bhi is class mein baitha hai. You can understand actually how Dadi is actually above all the things. And Dadi's favorite saying was, "My kaun, mera kaun, mai kya karna hai." This is, we have heard so many times actually, but I think we have not gone into the depth of that actually. If these 3 actually puzzles, my kaun, mera kaun, mai kya karna, if you go into the depth, I believe actually we can go to very heights in the spiritual path. Dadiji was giving importance both to Amritvela Yoga as well as to evening Numasham Yoga. Normally we used to be in a year 3 to 4 months in Madhuban itself on Seva. Then every day evening we never used to miss actually. When Dadiji was present at Shantivan, we always made it a point to attend our evening half-an-hour yoga from 7 to 7:30 and 7:30 to 8 class actually. Dadi is a practical example of companion of God actually. We all say that we are companion of God, but we should check ourselves, are we really companion of God? Of course we are number wise, But what I have noticed, Dadiji is, she was fully companion of God, and she experienced all the relationship with the Supreme. And whenever actually Avyak Babdada used to come, we have all noticed actually how Dadi, with regard, respect, love, affection, used to actually meet personally Baba, and how was Baba's response for Dadiji. All of us have experienced actually Dadi's love, respect. Babdada actually has, through Dadiji, actually has revealed several secrets to us actually. Some of the important quotes of Dadiji are Sachi Saaf Dil Murad Hazil, Kam Karcha Bala Nashin, Bina Kodi Vishwaka Malik. These are all actually how deep it is. Dadi's last wish was actually, as brother has told, no expenses should be incurred from the yagna for her final rites. The same way it happened actually, even yesterday, the first actually ascension ceremony, that was also happened in the same way. So from this it proves that Dadi is actually Sankalpa Siddhi. She had attained actually Siddhi in her Sankalpa. I would like to conclude. Dadi was a tall, towering spiritual personality. She has met several world leaders. She has met several political heads, several PAPs from different quarters of life. And she emphasized the importance of spirituality for bringing a world change and making this world a beautiful, wonderful heaven. So on this occasion, I express my humble, loveful, respectful tribute to our Parama Pujya Janki Dadiji. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ನೇಹದ ಗೌರವಪೂರ್ಣ ಭಾವಪೂರ್ಣ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾಂಜಲಿಯನ್ನು ದಾದಿಯವರಿಗೆ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ರಿಗಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಒನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.